Unlock the full power of your trading by seamlessly connecting Pocket Option with Tradingview for advanced analysis and execution. First, log into your Pocket Option account, navigate to your user profile or settings, and locate the option to connect to external platforms or API keys. You'll need to generate an API key specifically for Tradingview. Next, head over to Tradingview. While direct broker integration can vary, we'll focus on leveraging Tradingview's powerful charting for your Pocket Option trades. Some brokers offer direct integration for chart linking or order execution directly from Tradingview's charting interface. Check the broker setting within Tradingview's chart to see if Pocket Option is listed for a direct connection. If a direct connection isn't immediately available for charting, you can still use Tradingview for your analysis and manually execute trades on Pocket Option. Once your Tradingview chart is set up for your desired asset, like EUR USD, you can dive into advanced technical analysis and multiple indicators like the relative strength index, moving averages, or MACD to identify potential entry and exit points. Utilize trend lines and support resistance levels to gain deeper market insights. With your analysis complete on Tradingview, you can then seamlessly switch back to your Pocket Option platform to execute the trade. Many users find it beneficial to have Tradingview open on one monitor for charting and analysis, and Pocket Option on another for quick trade execution. Based on those insights, this synergy allows for a more informed and efficient trading workflow. Beyond charting, Tradingview also offers a vibrant social networking feature. Follow other traders, share your own analysis, and learn from the community. This adds another layer to your trading journey, fostering collaboration and continuous learning, which you can then apply to your trades on Pocket Option. By mastering this integration, you're not just trading, you're strategically analyzing and executing with the best tools available. Happy trading!